To make a stamp, we must first make the graphic model or the negative. We print the model on tracing paper. We apply toner fixing spray. After it dries, we add the photopolymer and develop them. Now we need to remove the thin side of the polymer and wash it. After we've cleaned it, we need to make the polymer harden. After baking, we wipe it and start cutting it. We mount it on the stamp and it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.